Okay, we just got a scrap piece of some 1/8 inch or 3.2 millimeter aluminum here. What we're going to do is just run a couple passes at about 130 amps, show what the difference is between frequency on AC wave. We'll do 60 hertz, 200 hertz, and 400 hertz, so you can hear and see the difference. First pass is going to be 60 hertz. See, it's real sluggish, a little bit cold. Okay, this next run will be at 200 hertz, same amperage. Really hear the difference in that. Penetration's a little better. Now we'll go 400 hertz. Look at the size of that weld bead compared to the others. It's real thin, very, very focused. What that's good for is basically if you've got a really thin sheet metal fillet weld that you've got to do, you got to get down in there. You don't want to heat it up too much on the outside because it'll blow out. 400 hertz is good for that. But you hear what it sounds like. It's not very good for your ears. Turn up the amperage a little bit. Turn up the amperage to about 250. Probably blow right through this. But you'll be able to hear what it sounds like. It's just incredible. Nothing that you want to weld with for a very long time. Wow, that would just KO your ears. Next we'll take that up to 300 amps so you can hear what it sounds like. Back down to 200 amps, or not 200 amps, but 300 amps at 200 hertz. Much better. So here's the 3 different welds that we did, just to recap. This was about 130 amps on a 1/8 inch piece of probably 5052 aluminum. You can see it's 60 hertz, a little bit piled up, a little bit cold, not wanting to run real well, kind of sluggish. Move up to 200 hertz. It's a little more focused, a little better penetration, still a little bit cold, a little slow for the amperage. Move up to 400 hertz, and 400 hertz just rips right along. You can see that's a very narrow bead, extremely focused arc. Like I said, really good for getting into tight fillets, especially on thin metal where you need to focus the arc and don't want it overheating the rest of the metal around it so it'll blow out. Didn't get any burn through except for that one 200 amp pass right there.